Hello. Welcome to Unit 2. My name is Chloe, and I'm a teacher in Glasgow, Scotland. This unit is all about work and family life. I'm a teacher. I'm married and I have a daughter, Grace. She's 2 years old. What do you do? Do you have a big family?
I am a pharmacist in Japan. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. One of the brothers is a dentist.
I'm a lawyer. I don't have any brothers or sisters.
In this unit, you will learn how to talk about people's jobs and families using the present simple. My husband, Luca, comes from Belgium. He works as a lawyer at a big company in Glasgow. He loves his job. In reading and speaking, there's an interesting text about different ways of living and working. You'll find out how the Amazonian Indians and the Amish live their everyday lives and raise their children. Watch an interesting video about a day in the life of a bike messenger. Find out what he does at work and in his free time. What time is it? Oh, it's nearly 3 o'clock. In everyday English, you will learn and practice different ways of telling the time in English. Do you need more skills practice? Go online to improve your reading, listening, speaking, or writing. Are you ready? Let's get started.